Welcome to the tutorial of making server apps with Sync 1, and this is the part 9 of the project 1, making a Flask server. This is complementary, and I am going to download my SQL. This is complementary for the server app. I'm going to download my SQL on this computer, and then I will download the connector for my SQL, and also I will download the bit script to encrypt the information. This is more for the login page. While this is downloading, I'm going to start by creating some files in here. So let's start by creating some files. So let's create a page for welcoming a customized page. So when people log in, they see that customized page. It's up to you. It's like a dashboard, maybe not completely, but I will make this to be just, let's say it's like a dashboard, personal page. Save as. I'll call it welcome. I'll call it dashboard. The HTML. And also, I will create an error page that we are going to be triggering whenever there is an error whenever there is an error. I don't need this, but it could be useful to have an error page. Now, for this in here, we probably want to retrieve information, etc. But first of all, just as in the login page, let's just make sure we have in here, copy, that we have the div for contact, and also we have the blocks. So the Jinja blocks, I have the extent from my layout or base page, and then the body. This is the only thing that is going to be changing. Okay, so what I'm going to do in here is probably, I will say on the top, maybe welcome. For now, I don't need to have a lot of stuff, but maybe I can say welcome into, I will make a div 1, h1, heading 1, maybe heading 2, and I will call this hello, and I will put this into curly brackets, double curly brackets, name, else, and I will put a filter in here. Emphasize. I'll change this for later, okay? So for now, let's see how this is downloading. Okay, it's downloading already. I'm installing the MySQL for databases. Okay, so our MySQL is already installed. Now let's go back and install the connector, mysql-connector with Python. But before we do that, let's go into the folder and turn on our virtual environment. So cd videos, cd servers, cd Python, cd long list, cd project 1. And now let's turn on our virtual environment. / tab scripts. Tab activate. And now let's pip install mysql-connector. So it may take a long time for me. In the meantime, did I show you? Yes, so is mysql connector, mysql-connector-python. Pip install mysql-connector-python. Good. Now let's install our scan pip script for encryption. I could use either Flask, pip script, or pip script itself. It doesn't matter. So pip install couldn't find. 1 second. Install pipscript, not pipscript, but pipscript. And it's downloading. This is for us to encrypt our data. So if I want to use our MySQL database, we have to import the MySQL connector. And if we want to use the pipscript, we want to import pipscript.